Welcome back to my YouTube channel Supercarlsunday. I hope you're all well. So video I'm doing today, it's just a check-in video really. I was unable to do a video for this Sunday, so every Sunday I normally post a video to the channel. But unfortunately, since I've got back off the holiday, I've actually ended up being quite bad. I've got ended up coming down with quite a bad cold. So I was actually in bed basically all day Saturday, and I've not been great yesterday. Basically, since I've got off holiday, I've not been great, to be honest with you. So I've not been able to really put a decent video together. I did a few bits and bobs on the Transit Custom, and I put a bit of a video together on the Golf, but that's about as far as I've been able to manage since I've got back off the holiday. So I just want to check in with you, and I want to tell you the plan with the Golf. So let's have a look at the Golf again. So this is the Golf GTI. You'll see I've got a bit of work done to it. I've started stripping it down and I've started paneling this door. So I'll finish paneling this today. I'll start getting some filler on it and getting on with a load more jobs. I've ordered a quarter panel for it. That's coming. We'll get that fitted. And then we'll move on to the next job, which will be probably taking out the screen, and we'll start the rust. So that's the Golf, and I wanted to really, the whole point really of me doing this video is just to tell you my plans with the Golf. So I've got some plans with the Golf. So on this project, I'm going to do like a mini series. So what I'm going to do, instead of cramming it all into one video, I'm going to do like a mini series and do it over a few videos. So there's going to be like sort of different sections, different parts of getting different repairs to a certain point on the vehicle, and then we'll get it all resprayed and we'll get it all back together. So we'll do this in sections, and I'll give you bits and bobs of information throughout the videos as I put them together. I'll show you products and things like that, like I normally do, tools I use and stuff like that. And also there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this. So when I finish this project and the Golf's all finished, what I'll do is I'll pick one of you guys as a winner for my next giveaway. And the next giveaway is this Artec welding helmet. So it's a wide view welding helmet, excellent bit of kit. So to be in with a chance of winning this, obviously you've got to subscribe to the channel. Please like all the videos that I put together on this mini series that I'm going to be running on this Golf GTI resto job. We'll have a quick look at it. I'll get it out of the box again. So I did put a little video together on this, but we'll get it out and I'll show you it again. So it's a lovely helmet. You'll see got that wide view there. Obviously it's got that auto dim glass with various settings. I'll just take this off. So you can see in there, you've got your various settings, your shades, delay, test and so on. But yeah, absolute fantastic bit of kit this. And what I'll say is one of the good things about this mask, with it being a decent quality mask from Artec, is if you need any bits for this mask, you can just go on the Artec website or get in touch with them and they'll sort you out with any bits that you need. So really, really handy. So that'll be a mask for life, that. Being able to get any of the bits for it, it really is helpful. So I bought an air-fed mask because I do quite a bit of welding, but that is ample for hobbyists. It's a good mask. Some of the jobs I do, they're just really big jobs and I'm breathing in a lot of crap, especially in the workshop. I mean, I have fans going extraction, etc. But really with me, the time I've been doing this job now, I've been doing it for 30 years, well more than 30 years, it makes sense that I'm wearing an air-fed mask. And it's been really handy that I can get all the bits, all the spares I need from Artec. So bit of a shout out to Artec. So thanks to them for giving me this mask. So they donated this mask to me, to my channel Supercarlsunday, so I can give away to one of you guys. Right, so while we're on the subject of giveaways, I've been given this. So this has been given to me by another company. It's a Work Pro rechargeable light. Absolute fantastic bit of kit this. So look how bright that is. It's got various settings on it. Really, really bright light. Absolute amazing bit of kit this. So this is another giveaway, and this will come after the GTI project. So magnet on the bottom of it. You've got a screw there as well, some hangers. Really, really handy like this. So this will be handy in the workshop, be handy even if you go camping. Don't know if a few of you have got camper vans. It's quite popular now, and I've got one myself. Just an absolute handy little light, that really is handy. It's got the USB charger point there. Really well made. We'll just have a look at it again. Bloody hell, I can't believe how bright it is. Really is a bright light, that. And you've got the light on the top as well. We'll go into the back room with it because it is a bit darker in the back room normally. So really bright light this. I might fasten it to the ceiling in here because it's generally dark in this area when I'm mixing my paint. I could do one up there, couldn't I? So yeah, that's another giveaway. That Work Pro work light that I've been given. Absolute fantastic bit of kit, that. Nice little handy little thing, handy little tool. So I'll be giving that away after I've given the welding helmet away on this mini series that I'm going to be running on the Golf GTI. So we'll just have a quick look at another project I'm doing. So I've dragged this out the back of the workshop, and I'm going to have a look at this. I'm going to strip it down at least. I'm going to see how bad the frame is. If it's doable, then I'll be getting on with this bike soon. So the idea is to turn it into a supermoto. I've got some supermoto wheels for this in the back of the workshop. I bought some XL rims for it. So the idea is to turn this into a supermoto, and we'll go and have a look at them rims. So these are the rims that I've got, and I'm actually just using this new torch to light this up in the back of here because you couldn't really see them before. It was a bit dark. So the XL rims, and these were, I think they were for a WR 450 WRF. So the XL rims, decent set of rims. Bought these a while ago. I've had them for a while now, and hopefully, if all goes well, I'll be able to make these fit that XR600. But we need to check the frame first. So whether the frame's going to be salvageable or not, I don't know. It does look quite bad. It might be that I can repair it. I might be able to repair it if it is really badly corroded. I might be able to strengthen it. It still might be doable. If not, then we might need to look at another option. Maybe I'll end up breaking the bike and using the rims on another project. We'll just have to see. So that's where we're at in the workshop, and if you want to follow this project, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell so that you get notifications every time I post a video, and you'll be kept up to speed with this project. So this is going to be an absolutely fantastic project, this Golf. It really is going to be good. The way I'm going to put each video together, the mini series, it's going to be really good to each stage. I think you'll enjoy it. It's going to be a really good little series of videos this is. I've started putting some clips together already for the first video, and I should have that together for next Sunday. So I think that's all I needed to cover today. Again, I just want to thank all my subscribers that comment and like the videos and hype the videos. So please hype, share the videos, try and get the channel out there. I am one of very few channels that does giveaways every so many weeks, and a lot of the time the giveaways are purchased with my own money, but at the moment I've been quite fortunate to have a few businesses come on board and offer me some products to give away, which I'm really thankful for. So again, thanks to all my loyal subscribers for all your comments. I do appreciate it. Please keep commenting, please keep liking, please keep hyping my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.